I used to think that I could not go on, but now I know the meaning of true love.
Contoh kalimat lainnya di lagu ini adalah I used to think that I could not go on and life was nothing but an awful song, but now I know the meaning of true love. Jadi pikiran dia di waktu lampau itu berbeda atau berlawanan dengan pikiran dia di masa sekarang. Jadi connector but digunakan di kalimat ini.